The first step to setting up your point of sale is to create your company file. From the File menu, select Company Operations. In the dialog displayed, select Create New Company. If you have multiple computers to set up, then you will check the multi-user configuration. We don't, so we will leave it blank. Select Next. If this is the first time you are running point of sale and you have been prompted to create a company file, you will start at this location. Let's enter Carl's Computer Shop for the company name. For multi-store software, specify your store type, and if you're setting up at a remote store, specify a store number from 2 to 20. For this demonstration, we will select the headquarters store and then click Create. Point of Sale displays a status indicator bar as it creates the new company data file. This can take a few minutes. Now that we created a new company, our Setup Interview launched to assist us in configuring our program for our store.